In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace the keyboard on a laptop. All laptops have different methods of doing this. There's basically usually just two general rules. Number one, the screws are located under this panel here, or they're located on the underside of the laptop. And when they're located on the underside of the laptop, there's a little keyboard symbol beside every screw you need to take out. In this particular laptop, to replace the keyboard, all the screws are under this panel. So grab a sharp tool like this, or a flat tool, and what we're going to do is pop off this panel, like that. Sometimes you have to be a little firm, but be gentle at the same time. So that's the panel. Once you've removed that, you can now see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws for the laptop, which I'm going to take off right now. Also want to note that this is the connector to the LCD screen. If you need to disconnect it for some reason, all you do is pull, and if you want to reconnect it, you just got to push down back on the connector. Yeah, I'll do it when the laptop's down. There we go. So let's start taking off the screws. Okay, so they're all loose. I'll just take them out with the magnet. Okay, now you just lift up the keyboard and pull up a little bit away from you, and also from the sides you just got to take it out a bit. Okay, and there we go. I've now taken off the keyboard. There is one ribbon right here, and in order to fully remove the keyboard, you need to usually remove a piece of tape like this, and then use again a pointy tool like this, and you just gently take out just like that. I now have the keyboard with the ribbon ready to be replaced with a working keyboard. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install a brand new keyboard onto a laptop. So as you can see, there's a ribbon here, and there is a connector right here with a little clip. Sometimes the clip is connected, sometimes it's loose. In either way, all you do is you take the ribbon. First take the black clip, take the ribbon, insert it into the white socket, then you take the black clip and clip it in, just like that. Now you just take the laptop keyboard and slide it under like this. Sometimes you have to bend the keyboard like a rainbow in order to get it under the sides. And now that it's back in there, you just take the screws and screw the keyboard right back in. Just like this. This is the last screw. Okay, and now you just take the panel and put it back on. Again, you want to put the brackets like this. It helps when you lower the keyboard. And then you want to get the sides in first, kind of like this. You want to arch it. And once it's in, just want to press down. And there you go. You have a brand new keyboard. It's that simple.